Oh, dude, the Monosaurus escaped.
Yeah.
We need to get back on the helicopter. Remember the city next to this is Jurassic Roblox. We have to get to Jurassic Roblox City, okay?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Oh,
Oh my god!
it's Jurassic City. Oh my god! What? Look at that dinosaur!
Yeah! It's so like, what happened?
I don't know. Holy cow. Dude, look at that dinosaur!
Yeah!
Oh shit. You know what we have to do here?
Yeah, no, I do
We
not.
have to collect that orb. That orb is where we can. That orb is where we can. Do you see that green potion there?
Yeah?
That used to be the laboratory. We need to collect that so we can stop. We can stop the dinosaurs. Oh my god!
Oh my god! He's destroying everything!
Dude, oh my god! Roblox City is so destroyed.
Yeah!
Where's all the cops at? Oh yeah, they're at the military base. They're helping everyone. Oh shoot. Oh, dude, I need to collect that green orb. Okay, I got it. Let's go. Okay. Oh shoot.
Okay, let's go!
Oh shoot. Oh no, the helicopter is out of control. I repeat, the helicopter is out of control, Andrew.
Oh no, we need some more!
Oh. Oh no. Ah! Ah! Dude,
Oh my god!
dude, the engines are broken. We need to fix it.
Yeah!
I mean,
Okay.
holy cow!
Oh my god!
Get back in!
Help me!
Oh my god, are you okay?
No, I'm not! You me!
Oh my god. Dude. Okay. This is the place we were at, remember? Jurassic
Help!
No, this was Jurassic Roblox, the museum, remember?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I don't know if you can get up here. Okay, I'll come down. I'll come. Okay, good. Dude, for some reason, the helicopter, it has an effect where it can roll.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Oh my
Dude,
god.
the helicopter is so damaged. Oh shoot.
Yeah!
Oh shoot.
Wait, there's a survivor! The survivor!
Wait, there's a survivor.
Okay.
What? What happened to Roblox City? Oh shoot, the dinosaur's dead. I thought they were at the military though. There's no way.
Yeah. He broke out.
Okay. We need to find them. But first we have to repair the helicopter. Oh, dude, this is so freaking tragic.
Oh.
Holy cow.
Yeah. It's dead. Like, dang.
Okay. Stop messing around. It doesn't matter if it's dead. It tried to kill us. And also, we can't focus on that. The Monosaurus is working in the water. And we have to be careful of him.
Yeah, we need to catch it.
Yes.
Or we get fired.
No, we won't get fired. Now, in my opinion, we have to protect ourselves and we have to kill it. Okay, let me grab the jet engine. Get off the... Let me grab some helicopter engine. Because it ran out of gas. Here, let me repair it. Okay. First, grab all the resources as you can.
I need to drink some water.
Oh my god, look what happened to this place. Professor Andrew. Professor Andrew.
Yeah.
Okay, so I already filled the jet engine. Now you know where we have to go now?
I do not know.
We have to go to Dr. Namtavius. Dr. Namtavius. He's the one who started this, and he's our boss. He's all the way in the Roblox he's in the Roblox jungles.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Here. Oh shoot.
Just start the engine, just go.
Oh shoot. The engine's not working. Okay, one more try. Oh, finally!
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys.
I know.
Look at Roblox City, guys.
Yeah, it's Roblox City.
Look at Roblox City, Professor Andrew. I don't know why I'm saying guys. I just miss my family.
Yeah.
But my family is all the way in North Roblox, Carolina.
Yeah.
Okay. Since all this happened, you know what we have to do?
What?
We have to talk to a freaking stupid boss for this idea.
Yeah.
Cause he caused this stupid idea. Okay. We're gonna go to Roblox Jungle now.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, let's go to Roblox Jungle.